Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you if you have a domain that is hosted in your Squarespace site, but you want to point it, you want to forward it to another site. I'm going to show you how to do that now. So in this case specifically, I'm going to be showing you a client site who decided that they wanted to move their site from what they currently built in Squarespace to point the domain to a different website, basically to like an Amazon shopping cart for their product. So let's walk through it. First thing you're going to do is go to settings, and then you're going to click on domains, and then you're going to find the domain that you want to make adjustments to, and then click on that. From there, you're going to click on DNS settings. All right, so now we're in the DNS settings, DNS domain name servers. This is so valuable. This is how your whole domain is set up, okay? So we don't want to touch the Google Workspace. If you have Zoho, any of these presets like Zoho Mail, we don't want to touch that, but we want to set up the forward domain. But before we do that, we need to remove the Squarespace defaults, which on this site I've already done, but let me show you how to do that. So where it says custom records, there should be 4 records there that are Squarespace defaults. So you're going to just go in here, similar to hovering over the trash can, and you'll click on that. It'll say, do you want to delete it? Are you sure? You do it one by one. So you just delete the custom records that are added. You're good to go. Once you do that, because you might be getting an error message, you'll want to make sure you delete all of the custom records first. A good rule of thumb too, if you're concerned that you're going to delete something important, you're going to just take a screenshot. Just go in there, grab a screenshot of what you need to save, and then you can look at it later. Okay, so you've deleted those records. Now you can forward the domain. And so all you'll need to do is click Add Preset, and then do Forward Domain. And then from here, you could type in the domain. Now, the beautiful part is it could be anything. It doesn't need to just be the top level domain. In this case, there are a couple, this is a long URL that we are pointing to. And as soon as I set that up, it didn't give me an error message. If I had custom records, it did. If it was pointing to the Squarespace site, it did. But it worked. And as soon as it worked, it also gave me these 2 records here. And if you look at the help article here for forwarding a Squarespace domain, you'll see that it does say it'll create 2 records. Yes. This creates a forward domain section with an A record and a C name. So it does everything it needs to automatically. You just have to give it the domain, or I'm sorry, the URL that you want to point it to. This works out really well. It's really easy. Now, there's one problem. When I did this, it still didn't work. And it was like, what's going on? Is it going to take an hour or 2? Maybe it's broken. I don't know. But what was happening was the site was still live. And so it kept going to the site. So you'll need to go back and you'll go to site availability in the settings and then take it from public to private. As soon as I did that, everything worked perfectly. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website, and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.